We are deeply committed to supporting the rare disease community. A cornerstone of what we do is to be able to provide plasma-derived therapies to support a range of rare diseases, including hereditary angioedema, primary immunodeficiency disorders, alpha-1, and a number of different other bleeding disorders. These therapies are created from the plasma of healthy donors and contain essential proteins that are often missing or not functioning properly in people with these rare conditions. These therapies help replace these missing or deficient proteins, allowing people to lead healthier and productive lives. The process of creating these therapies is complex and requires the collaboration of many dedicated professionals, plasma donors, and scientists and healthcare providers. But on Rare Disease Day and Week, we also like to really thank and recognize a core important part of that, and that is the plasma donor. They are a part of the rare disease community, and we always like to make sure that they feel included and really thank them. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to do that with this crowd. Another way we love to partner is with Every Life and be able to support you in your efforts as you work on public policies that improve the lives of patients. So with that, I would like to be able to introduce Frank, but before I do that, I hope to see a number of you at the Rare Artist reception tonight. I know a number of you are in the audience, and I can't wait to meet you. I will tell you, it is literally one of my most favorite events to come to every year. I love the connection and the reality that you share with all of us, how it really feels to live with a rare disease. And that's really important, especially as you think about how you go up and you communicate with policymakers today. Being able to really show your heart and what it means really sticks with everybody in this community and in DC, so it's really important. So without further ado, I'll introduce somebody who I'm sure needs no introduction, Frank Sasanowski. So he basically assists sponsors and patient organizations in developing new medicines and has helped secure FDA approval for hundreds of new drugs, including more than 100 new molecular entities, often for serious and rare diseases. Frank joined the FDA in 1983 as the regulatory counsel for the Center for Drugs and Biologics, where he was key to implementing both the 1983 Orphan Drug Law and the 1984 Hatch-Waxman Law. And as you guys all know, those are critically, foundationally important to where we stand today with a lot of the innovations that have come into the market and will continue to come into the market. In 1987, he left the FDA as Deputy Director of Health Policy in the Commissioner's Office and joined Hyman Phelps McNamara. Thanks to his extensive FDA experience, both from within the agency and from a sponsor's perspective, as well as his passionate advocacy for integrating the voice of the patient in developing medicines, Frank possesses a nuanced and deep understanding of the drug regulatory process. Since 2014, Frank has been an adjunct professor of neurology at the University of Rochester School of Medicine. In August of 2018, Frank was appointed to the board of directors at the Alliance for Regenerative Medicine, ARM. And in 2017, Frank joined the board of Every Life Foundation, where he is currently the vice chair. So join me in welcoming Frank.